This is parliamentary dictation with a speed of 80 words per minute, taken from Progressive Shorthand Monthly, May 2025, back page of exercise 16. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. More than money, primary education needs better administrative and managerial skills and of course a far stronger political will. It is said that this most important area of nation building does not attract the best and the brightest administrators. Other departments are considered more glamorous. Primary education is often not the first choice of those who are assigned there. This must change. The most important thing that we can do to improve primary education is to ensure that the best administrators are applying their minds to improve the primary education system. I have some other thoughts that I would like to share with you on the subject. Para. While governments have done a lot to improve teachers' salaries, they have neglected the task of improving their working and teaching environment. Teachers' views are often ignored or not even sought in education planning. Para. The bureaucrats in the education department have an upper hand and often boss over teachers and principals. This is wrong. All those associated with education should understand that a good teacher does not look for a good salary alone. He values even more a better working environment where he feels that he is valued and has a say in the running of his institution. The quality of municipal and other government schools is inferior to that of private schools. One reason, of course, is that richer parents pay for and then demand better service from private schools. In government run schools where the parents are too poor and themselves uneducated, they cannot demand better service. This places a bigger responsibility on us to run our schools better. In the absence of parental demand, can we face up to that responsibility? How do we make parents and communities more responsive about the school in their in their midst? This is one of the great challenges before the education sector. If we want the villagers to consider the school to be theirs, then they must have a sense of responsibility and ownership. Here I have a suggestion. Education is a state subject. The 73rd and 74th amendments have decentralized powers to the panchayats and municipalities. In this spirit of decentralization, I propose that we transfer administrative control over village schools to panchayats, mandal panchayats and the Jila Parishads. Thus, teachers' qualification and salaries and the syllabus can still be set by the state government, but let the panchayat bodies manage the primary schools. Funds for this can be transferred to the panchayats from the state government. One of the regions quite developed countries have become so is their superior universities and technical institutions in their country. Stop.